Okie doke, so first stop at the Grand Canyon Desert View, which has this enormous tower, which I'll show you in a minute. But the view is just absolutely spectacular. So my plan is to leave all my stuff down in Flagstaff at Michelle's house and then come up and spend a full day going from stop to stop, because there's just way too much to see, and it's already, I think, 4:45 in the afternoon, and I need to find somewhere to camp. So this is the start of it, and there will be many other videos to come. A tower. This is definitely not something you expect to find at the Grand Canyon, but it's pretty cool. And yeah, even though it's late in the day, lots of people around, so I'm going to get out of here and find my campsite. Hey, so here I am camping in the Grand Canyon National Park, and I found an awesome campsite. So I've got my tent set up there, I've got my 2-minute noodles cooking, might make a fire later, but look around, there's absolutely no one around. There's a forestry road up there, which is where I came in, but just absolutely nothing. And it's free. You've got to love BLM and their free campsites. No pesky kids running around, no generators from RVs, nothing. So I am super stoked, and I might have to come back and camp tomorrow night here, because I'm going to spend a couple of days up here and then head down to Flagstaff. See ya!